There it is. Money. I am Michael Gunning, and I am the Vice President with the Personal Insurance Federation of California. We are a trade association that represents home and auto insurance carriers. So the guys you see on TV like Allstate, State Farm, Farmers are the members of our trade association, and I am their lobbyist here, and I represent them in the capital of California, across the street. A lobbyist is an advocate, and I like to joke that everyone needs an advocate in their life, whether it's talking to your parents or talking to your teachers or your coach. In this case, businesses who operate in the state of California often face many times regulations, bills, or laws that can affect how they do business. Sure, we can get that done. And so as their lobbyists, I go and I talk with the members of the Senate and the Assembly in the legislature and talk with them about the impact of the bills they want to introduce and how those bills will affect my member companies.
So Mr. Gunning here is a representative for a very important industry, and he works very hard at what he does, and he talks to a lot of people like me.
There you go.
You look good.
Thank you, sir.
All right, take care.
I always found myself involved in student council. I remember I was like vice president, but involved in student government and the interaction with the teachers. So I found myself gravitating in both of those areas, whether it be student government or athletics, school spirit, participating in those things that promoted the school. Nick is our intern. He's in high school still, junior.
Senior next year.
See, hey, moving up. But he's already worked in the building, and so he's helping us track bills and help us keep our files in order. So we depend on Nick to help us get through the day. You have to have life experiences. And for me, I tried to do internships. I tried to involve myself in political campaigns. I tried to do different things that I like just to see what they're like. I think from your 18 to maybe 35, you should try as many different things as you can so you have a broad range of experiences, and through those experiences you begin to narrow down and focus on the things that you like. The advice I would give to high school students is you have to go to college. There's no question that in today's society, with it being as competitive as it is, you are at a disadvantage unless you have that 4-year degree. In fact, nowadays it's almost important to go to college and graduate school. You gotta have all that paper because that's really what separates you. And as our society is evolving, those who have an education clearly are gonna get more advantages as those who don't. So as tough as it seems right now, stay in school, get your degree, and even go to graduate school.